in Pangasinan, Mr. Jake Diaz. Mucho, 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 everybody! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the most highly anticipated Limgas Ng Bugallon 2025, the Coronation Night! How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Limgas 7. Your hashtag is hashtag beauty with a purpose.
Wow, bagay sa kanya.
Beauty with a purpose is all about being more than just a pretty face. It is all about turning compassion into action and using platforms like Limgas Ng Bugallon to create a positive change. For me, it is championing my advocacy, the affordable and modern farming, which aims to uplift the life of our farmers and to ensure food safety for the next generations. True beauty isn't measured by what we have or how we look. It is defined by what we give. And when we give wholeheartedly, we don't just shine. We become the light the world remembers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Limgas 7! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our first batch. Grace Quiles. She will receive the following. Maria's Fashion Shop by Bianca Queen to be presented by Miss Maria Teresa Pablo, Sash and Cash. Congratulations, ladies. All right, Limgas number 7. Our next award is Miss Personality. Limgas 7. Wow, 2 awards in a row. 7 and 8. Here's 2 awards in a row. You are also part of the top 5. Limgas 7. Lianna, Quiles. Three more spot. Gano'n katangkad?
I'm 5'6" tall.
5'6" tall. Okay, would you like to say hi sa lahat ng mga families and friends mo supporting you right now?
This moment makes me feel really special because I have my family here tonight, my cousins and my friends.
Cousins and friends, nasaan kayo guys? Alright. Limgas 7. How do you feel right now? Are you ready for the question?
Well, I am happy to be one of the top 5 and I am thrilled because it is a great opportunity to be in front of you tonight.
Yes. Alright, so now let's listen to Miss Nick.
Ay, si Miss Nikki.
Hello, beautiful candidate number 7.
Wow.
Take a deep breath. Here's your question. As a proud representative of Bugallon, you stand as a beacon of strength and grace. The women of your town have long been known for their unwavering commitment to their families and communities. Now, we would like to hear your thoughts on how you define the women of Bugallon, especially in terms of their contribution to the community. Please share with us your perspective on how the women of Bugallon embody a great community purpose. I believe that the women of Bugallon is a wonderful people that influenced and shaped our community. And these people are the beacon of strength, inspiration, and hope for all of us. And these women of our community and shape our life and influence us to be a better person. And sorry. And these women that unite, shape our community to be a better and to be organized, nurtured, and empowered Bugallon. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Limgas 7. Lianna Grace. Let's welcome Limgas 7. ladies and gentlemen. How about a big hand once again to our top five? What a great night. Our first runner